Welcome back with a new video. This video is going to be very interesting and informative. First of all, open your Google folder and click the Gmail, and you can see there is a notification on the top. You are out of storage. Email will not be available from 19th of May. What is the reason behind? The reason is that my account storage, Google account storage, is approximately filled up with different types of stuff. There are possibly three solutions. First of all, you can dismiss this notification. The second is you can get different offers to purchase some storage, and the third option, which is free of cost, you can clean up different stuff to free up the space. So I will explain how to do this cleaning process. Click to clean up the space. The application is taking you to the account storage, and you can see storage is filled. The Google provides 15 GB of free storage, and I have used 15 GB of the available space. So what is the utilization of this storage? To know about the utilization, scroll down and you can see that there are three main items which are taking up this space. The main and major thing is that Google Photos, which is taking about 15 GB of the space, and the second is Gmail, which is taking about only 10 MB, and the third option is Google Drive, which is taking approximately no space, only in KBs. So what is the procedure to free up the space? So to free up the space, you have to delete or manage your Google Photos. Click and you can see that as this phone is being used by my kids, so they are taking some random pictures and videos which are taking a huge space of my account. So you can see that 500 plus MBs of different videos, and these are the videos which are taking most of the space. So you can delete by press and hold. When you have selected, you can delete. After selection, the upper right corner there is the delete option, and you can see that 9 items are taking 3.6 GBs of the space. Delete, and I understand. Move to bin. Deleting, you have only cleaned up 3.5 GBs. So if you are done enough, go back and go back, and you can see that 50, total space given by the Google is 15 GB, and now I am using 11.7 GB of the space, and you can see that 78% of storage is being used. So a little bit storage is cleared up and cleaned up. So you can do the same trick in if your Google account storage is full. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.